sickness and dark nights of doubt and fears, she remained faithful to God. After a long struggle with tuberculosis, she died on September 30th, 1887, at the age of 24. Her last words on her deathbed was,
"My God, I love you."
Her inspiration and powerful presence from heaven touched many people very quickly. She was canonized by Pope Pius XI on 17th May 1925. She has been acclaimed the greatest saint of modern times. In 1997, Pope John Paul II declared Saint Therese a doctor of the Church in tribute to the powerful way her spirituality has influenced people all over the world.
My mission to make God love will begin after my death. I will spend my heaven doing good on earth. I will let fall a shower of roses.
Oh, little flower, in this hour we invoke thy name, to walk the little way you walk and be a child again. Oh, little flower, how I love you and your simple ways. And sometime soon in heaven flowers will meet face to face. Oh, Saint Teresa of the Carmel, we invoke thy name, to walk the little way you walk and be a child again. Oh, little flower, how I love you and your simple ways. And sometime soon in heaven's flowers we'll meet face to face. Oh, Saint Teresa of the Carmel, we invoke thy name, to walk the little way you walk and be a child again. Oh, little flower, how I love you and your simple ways. And sometime soon in heaven's flowers we'll meet face to face. And sometime soon in heaven's flowers we'll meet face to face.
హలో. సృష్టి ఆవిర్భావము గురించి అలనాటి సైంటిస్ట్ నుండి నేటి సామాజిక వాదుల వరకు భగవంతుడా సైంటిఫిక్ ఇన్వెన్షనా అన్న సందిగ్ధావస్థలో ఉండగా, ఒక్కరి కోసం అందరూ కాదు, అందరి కోసం మనముండాలి అన్న స్లోగన్తో లవ్, నాలెడ్జ్, సర్వీస్ అనే తమ మోటోని మన ఎల్ఎఫ్ఎస్ స్టూడెంట్స్ చూడచక్కగా ప్రదర్శించారు. ప్రేమతో పాటు సమయాన్ని కూడా తమకు కేటాయించాలని పేరెంట్స్కి, విద్యతో పాటు నైతిక విలువలు కూడా నింపుకోవాలని నాలెడ్జ్ పాట ద్వారా తోటి స్టూడెంట్స్కి ఉన్నత చదువులు చదివి విదేశాలలో డాలర్స్ సంపాదించడమే లక్ష్యం కాదు, పేద గ్రామీణ ప్రజల అవసరాలు తెలుసుకొని వారిని ఉద్ధరించాలని నేటి యువతకి నిరంతరం జనం కోసం, దీనుల కోసం, ఆర్తుల కోసం ఆ దేవదేవుని బాటలో నడవాలని సెయింట్ తెరిసా స్కిట్ ద్వారా మనమందరికీ చాటించిన ఎల్ఎఫ్ఎస్ చిన్నారుడిని హృదయపూర్వకంగా అభినందిద్దాము. లెట్ us appreciate and congratulate all our today's 827 little participants for their enticing performance. Dear ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and let us appreciate and bless them for their bright and prosperous future. Thank you one and all.
Today we witness a substantial growth and development in various fields like science and technology, medicine and literature. Though our country is developing scientifically and technologically, there is missing a point which is very precious for our survival. In fact, we have big houses with a nuclear family, we have advanced medicine with poor health, we had landed moon but unknown neighbors, we amassed wealth but no peace of mind. We are with high IQ but with less EQ. We are with more knowledge but with less wisdom. Dear ladies and gentlemen, as we are struggling with our own existence,
I
let us
request everyone
neglect
to
no
stand
one,
to their feet
but
for the school
respect
anthem.
everyone.
Okay. Now we request all the participants of the grand finale to come onto the stage for a dance. Thank you guys, that was an awesome dance performance. Okay. We have come to the end of the program. Let's hear the vote of thanks from Kalpana Madam.